Hello everyone, today we're going to make a checkpoint system. Here are the steps we'll follow. Create a checkpoints folder. Give new players a leaderstats folder with a stage value. Teleport players to the checkpoint that matches their stage when their character spawns. Update the player's stage when they touch a checkpoint if it's higher than their current stage. Try it yourself first, then watch the video. Let's start by creating a folder called Checkpoints in Workspace and add our checkpoint parts inside. Then, insert a script into server script service. Create a function connected to the player added event. The player parameter represents the joining player. Set up leader stats and the stage value. Make sure stage is inside the leader stats folder. Next, create a function connected to the character added event. Find the humanoid root part and wait for 0.03 seconds. Locate the checkpoint part in the checkpoints folder. Set the humanoid root part CFrame to the checkpoint part's CFrame, 2 studs above it. Now, let's work on the checkpoint part. Insert a script inside the checkpoint part. To automatically detect which stage the checkpoint is, we'll split the part name by spaces. The first index should be the string checkpoint, and the second index will give us the stage number. Create a function connected to the checkpoint part's touched event. Define the character as the parent of the other part, since body parts trigger the event. If there's no character, the function returns nothing. Find the player from the character. If the player doesn't exist, exit the function. Get the player's stage value. If the player's stage is lower than the checkpoint stage, update the player's stage to match the checkpoint. Press F5 and let's test it out. As you can see, when the character touches a checkpoint for the first time, their stage updates, and when they respawn, they teleport to the last checkpoint they reached. See you in the next video.